Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. NVIDIA has released Cosmos with some of the models. Cosmos is a world model development platform that consists of world foundation models, tokenizers, and a video processing pipeline to accelerate the development of physical AI at robotics and AV labs. Cosmos is purpose built for physical AI. The Cosmos repository, which I will also share in video's description, contains a lot of scripts in order to get you started. And in this video, I am going to show you all the steps which you need to do in order to get and up running. Remember, this is not just a software tool where you can give a text prompt and it is going to generate a video. Rather, it is more geared towards the physical side of things where the generative AI is meeting with the robotics. Now, the models which they have shared, there are two. One is text to video or text to world and video to world. For this example, I'm just going to show you text to world model. Both of these models belong to the family of these highly performant pre-trained world foundation models which are purpose built for generating physics aware videos and world states for physical AI development. These are a collection of diffusion based world foundation models that generate dynamic high quality videos either from text, videos or even images. It can serve as a building block for various applications or research that are related to world generation. Also, the license is not that I would say open. It comes with NVIDIA's open model license agreement, which means that you can um, use them commercially, but I think you would need to uh, check with NVIDIA. I'm not sure. Please do your own due diligence, but you are free to create and distribute derivative models. But NVIDIA does not claim ownership to any outputs generated using the models or derivative models. So, having said that, let's try to see how we can get it up and running with this model. Before I do that, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are Agent Bot. Now, this agent bot enables you to effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I am going to use this Ubuntu system and I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, and I am going to show you how to get started with 7 billion model, which I believe should be fine with this amount of VRAM. And by the way, this VRAM and this VM is sponsored by our very good friends at Master Compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU and VM or even CPU based VM on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. So there are two prerequisites which you need to fulfill. First and foremost, you should have NVIDIA Toolkit installed. So if you don't have it installed, all you need to do is to run this command to get it installed on Ubuntu. And by the way, this is only supported on Ubuntu and not on any other operating system as far as I know, maybe on Mac, but Ubuntu is preferred. And you can run this command in order to get NVIDIA Container Toolkit to get it installed. If you already have installed, make sure it is the latest version, which you can check with this command. As you can see, I'm on the latest 1.17.3 version. Another prerequisite which you need is Docker. I have a recent version of Docker installed, so make sure that you do too. If you don't know how to get it installed, please search my channel. I already have covered it in very simple video. Next up, you need to git clone the repo, but did I do wrong here? Okay, so let me grab the correct URL of their repo. Okay, I think I just double typed that git clone. So let me run this one. Okay, let me just say like this. I'll just paste directly here. My apologies. I should have pasted the correct one. Okay, this time it should work. There you go. So we have our Cosmos directory, which is good. Next, we need to build the Docker images from here. and it won't find it, so it is going to download and then build it locally with this command. So let's wait for it to finish. This is going to take a bit of a time. Okay, the build is complete, took around 5 minutes. Now let's run these containers, and that is also running. And now we just need to make sure that if it's not already, we get attached to this, and now we are in the container. Now first thing we need to do is to make sure that we are logged into Hugging Face Hub, because as you saw that this model is a gated model, so you would need to go to Hugging Face to this model card and accept this agreement, and it is just, you just need to log in. Make sure you also grab your Hugging Face read token, which is free. So once you have it, we can first try see if we can log into Hugging Face by using Hugging Face CLI login. So let me paste that command here. Yep, so I would just paste my read token here. Let me do that and then press capital Y, and you can see that my login is successful. Now what we need to do here, we need to download that Text2World model, and in order to do that, all you need to do, and maybe I can clear the screen. Okay, cool. All you need to do is to run this script. So what this script does, it just downloads the 7 billion model Text2World. If you want to do video to world, just replace it video to world. It also comes in 14 billion parameter variant, so you can also just replace this 7 billion with the 14 billion, or you could just download both of them. So let me run it, and the model is being downloaded. The size is just over 14 gig, 14.5. So let's wait for it to get downloaded. And then it downloads a lot of stuff, so you just have to be patient and make sure that you have that much space on your system, and I will also let you know how much it is needed once we are all done. And the last model is being downloaded. It seems it is huge, it is 24.5 gig, so let's wait for it. Okay, eventually everything is loaded, thankfully. Let me clear the screen. Let me specify a prompt here, so which is primarily a text prompt where I'm asking it that a sleek humanoid robot stands in a vast warehouse filled with neatly stacked cardboard boxes and so on. So we need to create a video out of this text prompt, and in order to create the video for the 7 billion model in Text2World, all you need to do is to run this command. So what this command is doing here, it is taking that Cosmos model, and then it is using that Text2World script which is provided by them. That is good, and these are the checkpoints, and then it is going to save the video with the same name as this, and then it takes a bit of a time. So let me run it and then I will show you the video. And when you run it first time, it also downloads this model, and then once it's downloaded, it creates a video. So I will let it download. It is going to take a bit of a time, and then the next I will be showing you the video. So I'm just going to pause it here. Okay, it took a long time and it consumed around 40 gig of VRAM, but the video is created. Let me quickly show you that video. There you go, but looks really good. Took a bit of a time, lot of space, and the space it has taken, let me quickly show you that too. Just give me a sec, I will move to my terminal and clear it. So I'm just going to remove those Docker containers, and that is going to show you how much did it take. So it has stopped the running containers, and then it is cleaning up everything. So let's wait for it. There you go. So around 771.5 MB, but within the container when I ran it, it took around 90 GB of disk space, including all the models. So make sure you have that much space. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.